In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Google Chat with Trello for real-time alerts. So first, navigate to Trello and click on the Power-Ups button in your board menu. You'll find this in the top menu of any board you're working on. Then, search for and enable the Google Chat Power-Up from the available integrations. Just type Google Chat in the search bar and you'll see it pop up. After that, click Add to connect your Google Workspace account with Trello. This will start the connection process between the two apps. Once that's done, you can see the Google Chat icon in the board menu. Simply click on it to continue. From there, click on Add Google Chat Alert. This is where you'll set up your notifications. Now go to Google Chat and write @Trello. You'll see the app name by Google Chat. Simply click on it and install it. Go ahead and complete the installation process. And after that, your Trello will be connected to Google Chat for real-time alerts. And that's how you connect Google Chat with Trello for real-time alerts. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.